Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to disable Clipboard permissions for X, formerly Twitter, on your PC. This ensures your privacy by preventing the platform from accessing data copied to your clipboard. Follow these simple steps to take control of your settings. First, open X in your browser. Navigate to the official website by typing x.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. Once the site loads, look at the top of your browser window. Next, locate the View Site Information icon. This icon is usually found right next to the web address in your browser's address bar. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to the site's permissions and settings. From this menu, select Site Settings. Clicking this option will take you to a dedicated page where you can manage all permissions associated with X on your browser. Once you're in the Site Settings page, scroll down until you find the Clipboard section under Permissions. This setting determines whether X can access text or images that you copy onto your clipboard. Finally, change the setting next to Clipboard to Block. By doing so, you are effectively disabling X's ability to access your clipboard data. This simple adjustment enhances your privacy and ensures that sensitive information remains secure while using the platform. And that's it. You've successfully disabled clipboard permissions for X on your PC. Remember, managing site permissions is an important step in protecting your digital privacy. Stay tuned for more tutorials on optimizing your online security.